Alright guys, so today is the last day that I get to drive my M3. Unfortunately, it is being sold. I know, I just put the supercharger on. I have other priorities and we have other great things coming. So, stay tuned. You will see what else is coming next. So this is the last time I have to cold start in my apartment complex. Luckily, my neighbors won't hate me too much anymore. Well, let's get this thing going. It is so loud. I am so sorry to everyone that has to hear this. Let's get on the road. So, David is driving it one last time. It's gonna be sad to see this thing go.
Bro, you should keep it. You didn't have any time to enjoy it. You got to drive it like a handful of times with the supercharger.
I'll enjoy another vehicle.
Okay.
It was fun while it lasted.
The entire week that I had it supercharged. And I spent $9,000 on the supercharger kit for a week. Then sold the car for less money than I had invested into the car. Because I'm Zach and I make poor life decisions.
Hey guys, so final drive of the M3 has already been completed. With the M3 going out, I have to replace it with something. So, we got a shop. Here we are in the shop. M3 sits here. It's waiting for its new owner to come pick it up on Saturday. Here we are. So, what we are going to do out of here is going to be automotive manufacturing. So we're going to be able to make custom automotive parts. So you come to us with a need, we'll produce it. We can make stuff out of metal, 3D printed objects, so plastic, interior pieces, a variety of things. So this used to actually be a paint booth, which we are going to tear down some walls, and then that's a big ass office. 3D printing will be in over there. We're gonna put the lift right over here, right in front of that door. And then we're gonna put all of our manufacturing equipment in the back over here. So welding table, CNC plasma table, eventually a CNC milling machine. Josh Erlenbach is going to come grind these floors. We are going to then epoxy them. And then in the office, we are going to do like a wood look floor and completely repaint. Exciting news, yes, depressing that the M3 is gone from the channel, but it's gonna go to a new good owner. He's out of Detroit. I'm glad that I was able to get the M3 in my shop. That means a lot to me. Say goodbye. So this is day one. Of Demolition. We already got some carpet up. We're taking the trim around, and yeah, just look at the beautiful color of this. Real nice and warm. It hurts to almost change it. All right, so then we have a lot of drywall repair. So we're thinking maybe do a light gray or a white. We're gonna tear down that little portion. Unfortunately, we don't get this whole bay yet. Then we'll cover up that up there. We'll either put a guardrail or just cover it completely. Yeah, here it is. A lot of work, a lot of work. All right. Let's do it to it.
Tear it up.
Tear it up. Got Sam rocking the socks over here. Taping some stuff.
Oh yeah.
So we're in the middle of painting this. It's actually gonna be a really nice gray. We had to take the light fixture out because we're gonna paint the ceiling too. But that's gonna be white. Then we're gonna do the trim all black. Should come out super nice. It kind of look like that. Andrew is out here.
Drywalling.
Looking good. So we removed that window. We're actually gonna put a bigger window in. So the office is officially painted gray. We gotta paint the ceilings and then we gotta do the trim black. But you can get a pretty good idea of how it's gonna look. It's pretty dark. But got some scaffolding going on up there. We'll have to either purchase or build some cross members on that. All right, so we got the office painted and the new light hung. We are now going to do the trim black and hopefully get the floors in. And check out that new light. It's a flush mount LED. It's pretty nice. Here, let's turn the light off so you can see a little better. Yeah, check that out. Looks super good. Now let's go check out what Andrew's doing. Oh my gosh.
Did you film this before?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
Yeah, that's looking good. That's looking real good. It's gonna look like a brand new shop even with just this wall done. All right, now let's get to the trim. All right, so we have a first few panels down of the flooring. Looking really good. Alright guys, so here's just a little update. We have now painted the ceiling black, so we actually used what is called a dry fall paint. So as we're spraying it, the overspray actually falls down and dries into like a nice dust. So it makes it super easy to sweep up. You can tell that we still haven't swept up everything. We should actually only be a few days away from being fully completed. I know it doesn't look like it, but we have a lot of changes that are going to make such a big difference. So we have an electrician coming. As soon as the electrician is done, we're going to paint the walls, get the floors grinded, get the epoxy down, get the car lift up. The car lift will actually be here before all that, so it's gonna have to sit outside for a couple days, but we should be done by the end of this week. Okay, so we have a huge shop update. I know I haven't been vlogging a whole lot, but I've been
Oh, sorry, was I not supposed to close the door?
No, Anyways, huge shop update. Check this out. So we got the ceilings black, we got the LEDs up thanks to the electrician, got the floors epoxied, walls painted, TVs hung, and the lift came in. So this is a Stratus 10,000 pound lift. We are in the middle of assembling it, and it is going to go right here, right near the front door. So back there is gonna be fabrication. And John got the window in, looks amazing. Yeah, check this out. So we still have to finish drywall over here. Then we'll paint that. Looking insane in here. So we are going to get this lift up, installed. We'll have the electrician come back to hook it up. That's just one last piece of the puzzle. I love the dark gray and orange color to this. All right, so let's get the other post up, and then we'll have to put the overhead bar in, and then we're probably gonna have to drill it tomorrow. All right guys, so we got the second post up. Now, the tough part is getting this crossbar, the overhead bar up. So we are going to have to use some scaffolding to get that up, but that'll be for the next day. Yeah, it's kind of a pain in the ass. I didn't realize how tall this lift was. Probably should have looked into that before. So it'll be perfect for the new truck. The shop is coming along so well. It's looking so good. Can't wait to get everything cleaned up and finished up. We got the electrician making the final connection on the lift. So in about 5 minutes, we'll be able to get this thing powered. Lift her up for the first time. All right, moment of truth. Man, look at this thing. Woo! Got a lift going. Now let's get a car on here. Very first car is going on the lift. What will it be? The yellow Focus ST. Gosh, this car looks so clean in here. How freaking exciting is this? All right, go ahead and raise it. So, first car is on the lift. Look how clean this shop looks. Gosh, I could not be more excited. Still gotta fix that up there, finish the end of this, but this shop has come such a long way. Gosh. So cool. I can't wait to finally be able to get my projects in here, be able to work on them in my own heated and cooled shop. So fucking exciting. So happy that everyone gets to be a part of it too. Cannot thank them enough. If you guys made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I'm extremely excited to be able to start this venture with Andrew. He is my business partner in this also. You've seen him in a couple of videos. He's the one with the 240. Him and I are going to start this extension of Driver's Gallery. So our name is actually Driver's Gallery Manufacturing. So we'll be able to produce all sorts of automotive parts. We look forward to being able to produce the best quality parts possible and hopefully have some nice innovative ideas for the car scene. As promised in the last videos, I'm going to give away that Amazon Alexa show. So, as of right now, we actually hit 200 subscribers. So I'm sorry that some of your guys' chances are, well, cut in half. So we are going to now pick a winner and then I'll send the message to that winner. So as you guys can see, I actually hit 200 subscribers today. So that is super exciting. Now we are going to go find the followers and pick one of the random winners. What I'm going to do is use the number generator between 1 and 200 and count from the top of the list how many spots. Let's see. All right, so I'm gonna count 57 spots down. Where'd it go? Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, well, this will make it easy. I'll hit 50. I'll go to the second page. Count 7 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. I'm going to message you and see if you want the Amazon Alexa show. So congratulations, 35 Croc 35. I will message you, see if you want the Amazon Alexa show, get your address and details. Thanks again, guys, and stay tuned for the next giveaway for 500 subscribers. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram. I will be changing my Instagram handle soon, so well, hopefully some of the videos don't confuse you. I'll see you in the next video where you get to see my next vehicle.